All right. Anyway, so Partnerhub, it works like a two-sided marketplace for partnerships. It's pretty straightforward, I think. I mean, you tell me, but pretty straightforward in that if you join Partnerhub, you will see partners that sell to the same overlapping customer persona in your curated partnerships backlog. It's underneath projects. You'll have to navigate to it, but it's already deployed. You have other projects that you can deploy, like events won't be deployed in your account. Co-selling won't be deployed. Only new technology partnerships, agency partnerships, and co-marketing will be deployed. If you want more templates, if you have another operation, right now, just submit the operation to myself or one of my colleagues. We'll invite you to Slack, and then we can create a template for you. In a future version, you'll be able to customize your own templates. So as you can see here, it's Kanban based. Big difference between Partnerhub and like your project management solution, ClickUp, Asana, whatever, is that A, the other partners are in here, and B, we have created the automations so that when you reach certain stages like vetting, your profile gets sent to the partner so they can vet you back. First call and presentation, you'll let your partner know that you would like to schedule a first call and presentation. After you get approved by one of these partners, they have your contact information, you have their contact information. You also have the ability to submit referrals back and forth. You can submit referrals directly through their profile, or you can head to the referrals page and submit referrals to anyone in Partnerhub. Also, tech companies have the ability to kind of entice you to get on a call by submitting what we call live offers. These are ephemeral, valuable co-marketing offers. Okendo does it a lot with specific agency types. So they will tell you what the definition of a qualified agency for the offer is. And Partnerhub admin does have to approve them. So they're not going to be just fluff, like we wouldn't let them advertise an event or something like that. But here's a good example. Fueled, an awesome new CDP for e-commerce, just launched in their partner program. They'll interview you for this Medium blog post, essentially, on leveraging CDP. They've got a decent audience for this Medium column, and it puts you in front of e-commerce brands, website, admins, e-commerce shop admins. And all you have to do to qualify is be an agency working in e-commerce. But because it's CDP, you probably want to just make sure you can at least talk towards the subject matter. If you like it and you see it's limited to 5 and you think you want to get involved, click accept. It'll go right into Sean's email box, and you guys can have a conversation, book a time, and do the co-marketing offer. Now, you may also want to explore the partnership because you see here on their profile, they give you a free account. They co-sell with you. They provide you a backlink. Backlink could mean directory listing. It could mean they put you in their blog. They buy your team lunch for lunch and learn. So the next thing after you deploy this, you can pass on it. But if you deploy it, you go to vetting after they approve you, which they will. They'll see your profile. They'll like what they see. Maybe you want to skip right to schedule lunch and learn. And then you go to their contact information and just book a time. And then Dan at Typeform knows that you're doing a lunch and learn. You've got them in that step in the project. That's tech partnerships. Now, the other side of this equation is agency partnerships. Agency partnerships and tech partnerships can be found in the marketplace. So the marketplace is exactly that. It's every user that has the toggle on. And so far, no one's turned the toggle off. The toggle is in your settings. It allows you to be private, essentially. You won't be in the marketplace. But everybody's in here as of today. So you can navigate to tech partners, or you can navigate to agency partners. Now, with agency partnerships, the name of the game is, hey, I sell something that you don't sell, and my clients want something that I don't provide. I need a partner for every one of those asks my client has. And we have maybe a loose referral agreement. for commission or for a spiff or for a flat fee, or maybe we don't and we just refer business because I like you and you like me and we trust each other, right? Mm-hmm. The relationships you can find here, you can use this filter, and there are some really cool filters here. So you would filter by e-commerce because that's your inbound. You get e-commerce jobs. Maybe you want to also filter by Shopify. And we don't have Shopify Plus. We just have Shopify, but it includes Shopify and Shopify Plus.
Okay.
Primary area of advisory. Maybe you just want agency partners that do design or development or data analytics, right? So you can select development, e-commerce, remember, and apply changes. These are all the e-commerce agencies that specialize in development. Open up the profile, check them out. Where are they? What do they do? What do they specialize in? What ecosystems they work in? There's Shopify. Request partnership. Say, hey guys, I saw you do development in Shopify and BigCommerce. We are more traffic driving and traffic strategy. We don't do a lot of custom development. We'd love to work with you. Or maybe you guys do custom development. In that case, maybe you want to concentrate on traffic driving agencies and check out these guys here. So Coolware, great agency. Lots going on. They do development in e-commerce. Great. So check those out. That may be something you do first. Invite your partners. So as soon as you join, I will get you connected to Luis and Triple Whale. I'll just urge Zach just to create the profile so that you guys can manage the relationship there. But if you have another partner, like the one you mentioned that I've already forgotten the name of,
Edge Mesh.
Edge Mesh would be perfect. So you'd put their email, product name. You don't need anything else, but you can add some more notes here. If you're just going to add them as a lead, like your Klaviyo or your Shopify contact, just put some notes here, what the status is, and I'll show you what happens here. So agency partners, I'm going to actually invite you. So you'll get an invite to Partnerhub, and you'll be able to set up your profile. Renaissance Digital. Is it just Renaissance Digital, or do you like to add the marketing?
Digital marketing.
Awesome. And Doug, I just sent your profile to Melissa on my team, but I'm blanking on your last name. What's your last name?
It's DARROCH.
OCH. CEO. You can change this later. Now it's asking me if I want to invite you to Partnerhub, or do I just want to add you as a lead? Yes, I want to invite you. Partnerhub is free for both sides. Join us. So you can mention if you're going to invite Edge Mesh, they may not know about us yet. So just let them know in the note, like, hey, this is free for you. You're not going to have to add a credit card or anything. We use this to manage our partnerships, right? So now you have Edge Mesh in here. You've got hopefully a lead that looks like this for Shopify Plus and Klaviyo. And then comes day-to-day operations of partnerships. Create tasks for your partners. You can assign a specific partner a task. Media Junction, assign it to Dylan and say, hey, I need you to check on that contract or whatever else, right? Documents, you want to have partner-facing documents, like your logo is an easy one. Maybe your sales one-sheeter, your ideal customer profile one-sheeter. If you download this, because you're going to be connected with us, go to our profile and you'll see it there and download it, because this is a partner memorandum template that has basically what it is with each new partner, you want to create sort of what is the partnership going to be about, so that you guys have an objective. You guys have, key results that you're trying to go after. You have logos that you're trying to win together. You've got a sort of a verbal agreement of like where you're going to be listed on each other's websites. And your team knows what the objective is of the partner, meaning, are we going to become implementation partners, certified, or are we just going to be referral partners? That's called a partner memorandum. Do it with all of your close partners is the suggestion. But at the bottom of this, there is a, you can't see it, it's opening another window, but at the bottom of it, there is a list of examples from one of our other agencies. You can steal some of theirs, and I'll put those in chat.
Where's the example?
It's opening in docs, so you can't see it, but I just sent you the list of assets. So the partner memorandum would be one asset that you can have in there. You can have a general memorandum, which is essentially what we do with partnerships as an agency. So what Renaissance does with partnerships, what you expect. Do you co-sell with partners? If you do co-sell, what do you use? Do you use Reveal? Do you use Crossbeam? If you list all your partners on a landing page, put the landing page URL that you list all your partners on. Talk about whether or not you do podcasts. Talk about whether or not you guest post, list out all the things you do. I mentioned Reveal. This is Reveal. It allows you to map accounts with your partners. Partnerhub is the partner operations platform. It's where you find partners. It's where you manage day-to-day stuff with partners, projects, right? Reveal and a few other tools are account mapping, meaning connect your CRM. I connect my CRM. You invite me to map accounts. And all of a sudden I can see overlap, and I can see that you and I are both selling to 5 of the same target websites, right? Then comes warm introductions, maybe, or at least a targeted strategy for me and you to help each other get into those websites. Okay, so we'll stop in a sec for questions, but I want to go into sent and received referrals. So with Okendo and with some of these other platforms, they may have you submit leads through a partner portal, which allows you to track commissions and receive payouts, right? I'm sure you know.
Right.
One of the reasons we built Partnerhub is because our agencies were struggling with just knowing what's going on with partnerships in general. That's part of it. Another part of it was the frustration with how many portals they had to log into. Another part of it is just having it distributed, like partnerships were between CRM and project management tool and Google Sheets, right? And it was just all over the place. So as we're rolling out new features and new versions of Partnerhub, our goal is to make this the one place where you can do everything with partnerships. Referrals is a big part of that. So you can submit referrals. You do not log in here to get commissions. That's the one thing that we don't do. And part of the reason for that is most of the partnership activity you'll have is between other agencies, or at least most of the agencies we talk to, they have more relationships with other agencies than they do technology companies. Maybe you're different. I don't know. But with relationships with other agencies, it's not as simple as a commission in perpetuity or just a flat fee or anything like that. Everything is one-to-one. Everything's ad hoc. So when a referral comes to you, it could be from an agency, it could be from a tech company. You can update pipeline stage. You can let them know the estimated value. You can let them know some notes, and even, hey, I'm going to give you a spiff on this because I'm very thankful, whatever it is. And then save that information. When you save it, it goes and shows up on your partner side too, so they can see that information. Now, integrations come after you start looking at referrals. Maybe you want to just integrate with, here's the integration platform. Maybe you just want to integrate with Slack so you get notifications from Partnerhub inside Slack. That could be an easy one. But major CRMs are here. Custom workflows are here. The custom workflow builder has a ton of apps in there, so you can connect things like MailChimp. There's some project management tools in there that you can connect, all sorts of stuff. So if you do come up with something really unique and interesting with the integrations, meaning like, hey, we trigger this once someone in Partnerhub does this, let me know. Would love to hear what you do with it, but the easy ones are down here. Push deals to CRM, post activity to Slack. Super simple. Now, marketplace, we went over. Opportunities is the last big module that I want to go over. So say you have a project that comes in that you can't service and you don't know offhand a partner that you want to send it to. Or maybe you do have a partner, but you want to use that opportunity to form a new alliance with another agency. Opportunities only go out to other agencies. They are project leads, client referrals, jobs, or co-marketing opportunities. A good example of co-marketing opportunity, say you want to do a white paper with a few other Shopify Plus agencies, and you're willing to put in some time and energy and you're willing to syndicate it, put it as a live offer, see who else is interested in getting involved. Or maybe you want to run an event and you need some collaborators to get the event done. Put it as a live offer. There's no specifications for the live offer. So if you're looking to do something in your town, not a good place for live offers. You can select what vertical should receive the live offer, select e-commerce. And then you can even select what specific service they sell. So if you're looking for e-commerce web developers, select that and submit. Admin does have to approve it. So if it's something that we feel like is just going to be intrusive and not of value, we will block it for both sides. Adding your team members is under the gear in the top right. You can add your team members by email, of course, but by admin or member. Admins can change stuff, your profile, they can submit offers, those kinds of things. Members can just view, move tasks. They can create tasks and reply to discussions, but they can't change your profile. They can't change anything. Ecosystems, we come out with new ecosystems all the time, so check these out periodically, but you'll have your Shopify's turned on, maybe one of these others. Questions?